Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by organizing a clear workspace near your desk and monitors. Gather tools, screwdriver, hex keys, and a level for alignment. Verify each monitor uses a 75 mm or 100 mm VESA mount pattern. Check each monitor weight and confirm it is no more than 8 kg. Measure your desk and confirm the clamp will fit between 0, 4, and 3, 5 inches thickness. Remove monitor stands and place components on a soft cloth. Keep screws sorted so you can find the correct sizes quickly. Position the dual-arm mount base where you want your monitors to rest. Choose clamp or grommet installation based on your desk and follow the included instructions. Attach the mount base to the desk and finger tighten all fasteners first to allow adjustment. Use a level to ensure the mount is straight before final tightening and alignment. Gradually tighten the clamp bolts until the base is secure without over-torquing and risking desk damage. Recheck the level to confirm the mount did not shift during tightening. Attach each monitor to its VESA plate using the screws supplied with your mount. Lift the monitor onto the arm and tighten the mounting screws until snug and secure. Adjust the arm tension screws so each monitor holds position yet moves smoothly when you tilt or swivel. Set monitor height and angle so the top edge is slightly below eye level when seated. Align both monitors for a seamless 16:9 workspace with minimal bezel gap. Tighten any remaining fasteners and route cables along the arm using built-in clips.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.